Homeschooling for kids. In this video, we will learn about classroom objects. Desk. This is desk. Chair. This is chair. Books. These are books. Pencil case. This is pencil case. Backpack. This is backpack. Scissors. This is scissors. Compass. This is compass. Blackboard. This is blackboard. Pins. These are pins. Clips. These are clips. Pencil. This is pencil. Sharpener. This is sharpener. Stapler. This is stapler. Calculator. This is calculator. Ruler. This is ruler. Hole punch. This is hole punch. Eraser. This is eraser. Pen. This is pen. Highlighter. This is highlighter. Tape dispenser. This is tape dispenser. Glue. This is glue. Set square. This is set square. Protractor. This is protractor. Chalk. This is chalk. Paint. This is paint. Palette. This is palette. Paintbrush. This is paintbrush. Colored pencils. This is colored pencils. File holder. This is file holder. Please like, share, subscribe to Homeschooling for Kids channel for more videos.